Hello students, so welcome to the YouTube channel. So now let us start with the next phylum, that is phylum echinodermata. So the name of this phylum comes from, there are two words, that is echinos. So echinos means spines, called spines, and derma means, so that is skin, right. So from these two words, so which is selected here, that is the word we call it as echinodermata, right. The members belongs to this phylum are called echinoderms, right, echinoderms. There are some examples. Let us we take starfish, as you know, starfish most popular example, and brittle star we can say, sea urchin and sea cucumber, like there are many examples we can take, sea cucumber, right. So many examples we can take. So these are exclusively marine, means they are found in the ocean or marine water, right. So and they are also called benthic forms of living beings. Benthic means they are found in the bottom of that what we call the ocean or that habitat, right. Either it may be lake or whatever, but they are found in the bottom of that water body, right. Either it may be ocean or it may be anything. So benthic forms means they are found in the, yes, in the deep sea, we can say, deep level, right. So usually starfish, brittle star, sea urchin, sea cucumber are considered here as example. So all animals are marine, and we can say that exclusively marine, because there is no single animal which are found in other than marine forms. All are aquatic, exclusively marine, right. So the body is covered by spines, the spiny skin, we can say, the skin is covered with the, yes, spines, right. So due to presence of this one, the rough appearance we observed and spines also appears, right. So that is the echinodermata, right. Next they are having the organ system level of organization, right. They have a organ system level of organization, and also shows that the endoskeleton, there is a endoskeleton system is also there, right. Endoskeleton, within the body the skeleton system will be present there. Next the other features like the symmetry. So when you consider the symmetry of these animals, so usually adults are showing radial symmetry. In radial symmetry also sea cucumber, sea urchin may shows that yes, the perfect what we call radial symmetry. So sometimes the arms are there in the starfish. So there are 5 arms which we observed. So that's why what we call radial symmetry, we can say, okay, radial symmetry which we observed in adults, and in larval, because development is here, that is the larval stage is there. The larva shows that the bilateral symmetry, right. So next one, they are triploblastic. This is all common features what we observed in previous file also. So that is a triploblastic. They have triploblastic, we can say, triploblastic animals. See, there are 3 germ layers, as you know. Next the coelomates, we call it as coelomates, because true coelom is present here, right. True coelom is present, so that is called coelomates. The animals are called coelomates. Next the digestive system. Regarding digestive system, which is complete, it is said to be complete, and here mouth is on ventral side, that is the lower side is called ventral side and upper side is called dorsal side. Mouth is present on ventral, and the anus is present on the dorsal side, right. So even oral surface and aboral surface, also we use the term oral and aboral. So oral means here the ventral side or lower side is called oral, and aboral means which is dorsal surface, right, dorsal side. There are 2 sides. So mouth and anus are present, hence the digestive system is said to be complete, right. Next one, there is a presence of water vascular system, right. So, this water vascular system is the unique feature, the important feature of this phylum, that is echinoderms, right, echinodermata, right. See, the water vascular system is also called ambulacral system or ambulatory system, So, through which water is circulating throughout the body. There is a special system when you draw the structure of that starfish, by that you can learn more regarding this one. So, there are special structures are there, they are referred as tube feeds, what we call tube feeds, right. So, there are tube feeds which are radiating from the center of the animal, if they are in the starfish, right. So, there are 5 arms, no, 5 radial canals we can say. Circular canal is there, radial canal is there. Radial canal is ends in and branched with there are many small units, openings, right. So, they are specialized structures which are called tube feeds, right, tube feeds. So, which are helps in mainly locomotion as well as respiration. So, even capture of food or what we call the transportation. So, this whole what we call water vascular system performing these functions like that is transportation, that is capturing food by the help of this tube feeds, right. And next one, the even the transport of that food is also conducted by this water vascular system, and even respiration, there is no specialized structures for respiration in these cases. Usually by what you call diffusion mechanism respiration is takes place. And next one, locomotion by tube feeds, what we call tube feeds is a part of water vascular system, right. So, there is a row of tube feeds present in the arms of that animals, usually what you call in starfish, which we observed, right. Next, the excretion is amniotic means which are producing the ammonia. Of course, they are aquatic ammonia which is diffused into the water. There is no specialized excretory structures, right. So, they are helps in the by diffusion only by through this water vascular system. And circulation, the circulation is formed, but there is open type of circulation, is there, but there is no pigment, like hemocyanin or hemoglobin, right. Next, no heart is the pumping organ is also not there. Almost the most of the functions are carried out by the presence of this water vascular system, that is canal system, how it was observed in what you call sponges. So, it is more developed rather than that one. They are also exclusively aquatic, these are also exclusively aquatic, but these are completely marine forms which we see, right. Next, about nervous system. So, there are nerve rings are formed by the ganglions, right. Ganglia are formed 2 nerve rings, one is oral side, another one is aboral side. Oral side means which is in which side mouth is present, that is oral side, and another side is called opposite to that one, that is what called the dorsal side, aboral, which is in which there is a presence of the anus, aboral surface, aboral side. There are 2 rings, and the nerves are also radiating along the length of that arms which are present in the animal's body, right. Next, the reproduction is the sexual reproduction is takes place here, and so indirect development is there. Indirect means there is a presence of larval stage, right. So, from the egg to what we call the developmental, in the development. So, there is a stage what we call the intermediate stage, so which is called larva. Okay. The larval stage is present, hence it is called indirect development, and the name of that larvae is referred here Bipneriae, right. Bipneriae is the name of that larva. Next, here one more special feature which we observed, that is autotomy and regeneration. Autotomy means what here? So, usually for example, so I will take here the starfish. So, you can consider this is a simple diagram by this. So, for example, this arm is cut down itself. So, this arm is redeveloped. So, cutting itself its arms or some body parts, that is called autotomy. Autotomy means cutting, right. So, it can cut its itself its parts of the body, usually arms, right. So, that arm when regenerates, so that reforms, redeveloped. So, that is what regeneration, high regeneration we can say. Some other animals also which we observed autotomy, even maybe in higher like lizards also we observed, and even in other animals which we this character what we call autotomy and regeneration may be observed, right. So, this is also one of the feature here. So, which is also helps in the escaping from the other what we call defense mechanism, escaping from the that what we call a predator, like. So, from enemies they can escape. So, one more special feature regarding this one. So, sometimes externally they will cut their arm and it is okay, it will be developed, but some cases what we call sea cucumber, one of the example what I have taken here, sea cucumber, here evisceration, visceral, what we call the term visceral means the important organs like stomach, what we call. So, they are found in the coelom, the important organs which are found in the coelom, no, they also thrown out by these animals. Sometimes they will thrown out and they are get regenerated. This is the internal organs also regeneration is takes place, that is called evisceration, removal of internal visceral organs, right. So, that is called evisceration, right. So, this is what regarding the echinodermata, right. So, there are these are the special features you remember. One is very important, one is water vascular system, we should notice this one important character, and there is a presence of spines on the skin, spiny skin. So, these two examples, two characters you remember, and they are benthic forms because they are found in bottom of the that aquatic bodies, right, either ocean or sea we can consider, right. So, these are the some features, go through these points and note the points in your notebook and prepare for the examination, right. Thank you, students.